Practice set 3. Determine the perimeter or circumference of each diagram shown below. Drawings are not to scale. Be sure to include the appropriate units in your answer. No special formulas are needed to determine the perimeter of an object made of only straight sides, since perimeter is the distance around an object. What we need to know are the lengths of all the sides that form the shape of the object. Adding those lengths together is going to give us the perimeter. So in problem number 1, we have a rectangle. The implication here is that the shorter sides are both 45 inches and the longer sides are 100 inches. So to determine the distance around, if we start here and go clockwise around, we would have a straight line of 100 inches added to the next straight length of 45 inches. Across the bottom would be another 100, and on the left-hand side of 45 inches. The distance around then, or the perimeter for this rectangle, is 290. We added inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. Our units will be in inches as well. Problem number 3 is a circle. The distance around a circle has a special name, circumference, and a formula is required. That formula, C for circumference, the perimeter of a circle is found by taking pi times the diameter. The diameter of a circle is a line segment whose endpoints are on the circle and crosses through or contains the center of the circle. Pi is symbolized with this symbol, and oftentimes the formula for circumference is given as pi d, d short for diameter. The value of pi that we're going to use is an approximate value of 3.14 for pi. We'll times it by the given diameter length for this problem. Doing the multiplication results in a circumference of 47.1 feet. That means the perimeter, or the distance around, circumference, because we're dealing with a circle, is 47.1 feet. If we would cut this and stretch this line out straight, that line would have a length of 47.1 feet. It's common to work with drawings that are very detailed. In those situations, you must disregard the dimensions not needed for perimeter. In problem number 4, that is the situation. They're not only giving us the lengths around the rectangle, but they've also included the measurement of that diagonal. Since perimeter is distance around, we're going to disregard any interior information or detail and solve this problem just like we did problem number 1 by adding up the 4 lengths that constitute the outside of this figure. So we're going to take 7 inches plus 4.5 inches, 7 inches for the bottom, and to round this out to complete the figure, another 4.5. Adding those together gives us a sum of 23 inches for the perimeter.